Yo, what's up? It's your girl Latisha for coming straight out of sunny SoCal. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Winning Wednesday. All right, so if you guys don't know me, once again, I am an affiliate marketer, online marketer, and I always teach you how to save money and how to make money. So that's what we're going to do today, and that is why you tapped into this video, because you want to know the winning secret on how to make $360 every single day or more. But if you don't know me, once again, follow me on Facebook, Lucrative Lives 1. That's the number 1. This is my page. Here's my name. That way you guys can go ahead and check me out. Add me as a friend. Give me a review if you guys are loving what I do here on Facebook, as well as, on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button with the bell right next to it. That way you guys don't miss out on these cool opportunities on how to save money and make money, right? And of course, my number one opportunity for you guys is always here. If you go to earncashonline.us, you can go ahead and check me out. I do give information as well as advanced training and about the system that I'm using. So go ahead and let me know what you feel about that. And I do have income claims on there as well. Boom. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, what you want to do is go to a website called textbroker.com. That's textbroker.com. I'm so sorry. That's just my cats. The life of working from home. So what you want to do is go there. You can do this on your phone, or you can definitely do this on a laptop. And what I do suggest is you get to, a computer. It's so much easier that we can see everything. But hey, if you don't, this is mobile friendly. And this is your guide on how to make that money. Now, here's the deal. You're looking at this website probably thinking, okay, it's all about content, right? This is the website that people go to buy content. And what you are going to be doing is you're going to be providing that content. And you're probably wondering, well, what do you mean, right? Well, there's so many social media platforms like Instagram, like Facebook. I mean, there's blogs out there. There's YouTube channels. I mean, people have, no time whatsoever because they're so busy just, having all of the creative ideas. They need someone to actually create out the content, write it out, make it fancy, make it formal. That way, when people click on their videos and click on, their pictures, there's actually content, right? So you want to make sure that you are that person that's going to provide that, and this is how you do it. So, so what you want to do is you want to, of course, create an account. Now, also, once you get to the website, you're going to be the person that actually writes the content. Now, just before we get started, you're probably wondering, how am I going to get paid? Well, they actually pay through PayPal. They're going to actually send you a check, or you can get direct deposit. So, hey, they're going to find a way on how to give you your money, right? As long as you click on you write content, and then set everything up correctly. So here's the deal. Click on I write content, right? So you do that, and then you will actually register. Excuse me. I feel like I have a cold coming on. So, and they tell you why you can earn money to get content. They also tell you how it works, which is really awesome, okay? So you want to make sure that you're aware of that. And the cool part about it is they're going to actually break everything down for you on, what money, how much money can you make? You're probably like, well, what is it? So yes, they do pay you a certain amount of cents per word, but here's the deal. Now they tell you, if you get a 2-star, open order, it's 1 cent per word. They have 1.8, 2.4, whatever it is, from 2 stars to 5 stars, right? But here's where you make the big money. Whenever someone sees your content and they notice that you're on here frequently and you're doing this maybe 3 orders a day, 4 orders a day, you're filling those open orders, right? they can actually send you a direct order, and that's going to make you bigger money because they're going to actually give you an upfront fee. That could be $300. I mean, you don't even know. So the potential to make more money is totally there, okay? Now, if you don't get any direct orders, it's still a good amount of money because a lot of blogs need a lot of words, need a lot of content, sales funnels for ads. They use a wide variety of content, proving who they are, what their system offers, how it can benefit the customer that's looking at the offer, the background of the business, testimonials, and of course they're going to give you all of that, but they're going to actually tell you, what is needed, and you're just going to plug that in. So this is actually a really great opportunity. And so, once again, the most money is through the direct orders, or you can do the open orders. And what you can also do is calculate your order. So, say for example, you're like, okay, how many words? This sounds like crap because it's only 1 cent per word. But think about it. Here's the deal: 1,000 words will give you $14. Now you just move this up a little bit. 3,000 words gives you $40. What's that? A tank of gas, right? And it's probably content that you created within 1 to 3 minutes. And I'll show you a trick on how to make content really quick. And also, if you move it all the way up, look, 5,000 words is $66, and then you go all the way up, if you have 10,000 words, it's $130 for one order, okay? And that's only on a quality of a 2-star open order. Imagine if you had a 3-star or a 4-star or a 5-star open order, it's going to be higher, okay? So imagine doing 3 open orders, you can literally make a pretty penny, more than what most people make in a 9-to-5 job, okay? Most people make, $570 in a week, putting in 40 hours. You can literally take 10 minutes for one order, or 15 minutes for an order, okay? And make a lot of money. So don't forget to register. They tell you all the benefits. There's some tips and tricks here, which is really cool. That way you can learn how to monetize on what you're doing. Maybe save some previous work. Create a portfolio for yourself. There's other sites out there that I've created in previous videos where you can actually sign up to become a freelancer, and bring content like Upwork.com and things like that. So definitely get on this site. And the tip that I wanted to show you is what you can do is you can actually download Google Drive. So when you go to Google Drive, what you're going to do in Google Drive is you can get a microphone like this or something, $5, $10 on Amazon. And what you want to do is you're going to open up a new document. And the microphone, you can literally speak into the microphone your content, and it will type it out for you. That way you can get these done so much faster. So literally you're going to say, I went to the park today, period. I would love to go, comma, however, I don't have the money to go, period. Whatever you want to say, that's exactly how you're going to speak it. That way you can type it out. It can bring up paragraphs in minutes, and you guys can start earning your money. So, if you got a lot of value out of this video, go ahead and put a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, click the bell, and don't forget to miss out on my video on how I can help you save money or make money. And my #1 affiliate offer will be below this video in the link. And also the system that I'm using to generate massive income, a passive income at that, along with benefits. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.